Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you 10 super easy and cute hairstyles you can do with mini twists. These are perfect for everyday looks, so let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Okay, y'all, so for the first hairstyle, I'm doing the classic half up, half down style, and honestly, this is absolutely one of my favorites. I just grabbed the top section of my twist, pulled them up, and secure with a scrunchie. It's super easy, but it always looks so cute. Next, let's turn that into a half bun, half down. I'll wrap the top section into a bun and leave the rest down. It's a little more fun and carefree. This style is perfect for casual days, hanging out with friends, or when you just want your hair out of the way, but still showing some length. Now we're moving into the high messy bun. Gather all your twists on the top of your head, twist them into a high bun and secure it. The texture of mini twist makes the bun look naturally full and stylish, even if it's messy. I love this one for busy mornings, workouts, or even lazy days at home when I don't want to think too much about my hair. Style number 4 is a high ponytail. Just pull all your twists up and secure them at the crown of your head. This style is great for keeping your hair out your face while showing off your length. I will also wear this to the gym or either just running some errands. For a playful look, I like to do 2 low pigtails. Part your twist down the middle and tie each side. It's quick and fun. This is also a cute look for casual weekends, road trips, or when you just want to feel a little more youthful and carefree. Number 6 is the regular ponytail. I usually do mine mid-height or low depending on my mood. This one is so simple but reliable. You can wear it to work, school, or just when you don't have much time and want something neat. For style number 7, I'm just sweeping all my twists over to one side. You don't even need a hair tie for this. Just let the twist fall naturally and tuck a few behind your ear. It gives you that soft, elegant look without any effort. Style number 8 is the low bun. Just pull all your twists into a bun at the nape of your neck and secure it. This one is classy, sleek, and professional, so it's great for job interviews, formal events, or even church. Now for style 9, the half messy bun with the rest left down. This is such a cute everyday look when you don't want to do much but still want your hairstyle. So I'll wear this shopping or even just lounging around the house. And the last style, I don't know the official name for this one, but I take 2 sections of twist from the front, pull them back, and secure them into a little ponytail while leaving the rest hanging down. It's simple but really frames the face nicely. And that's it, 10 easy mini twist hairstyles. My favorite, of course, is the half up, half down. I feel like it just never fails. Comment below and tell me which one is your favorite and where would you wear it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my natural hair content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.